Welcome to our video series on duct cleaning. Today, we answer a simple question with real-world meaning. Does duct cleaning improve the indoor airspace you breathe every day? We'll explore what's inside your ducts, how cleaning works, and what results you can expect for your home. Ducts can trap dust, pollen, pet dander, and other tiny particles. When your HVAC runs, those particles can circulate through rooms, contributing to dust and irritation, even if you don't notice it at first. Professional duct cleaning uses powerful vacuums, specialized brushes, and careful access to ducts and connected components. The goal is to remove debris that would otherwise keep circulating through your home. Cleaning typically covers the ducts, registers, and grills. If the service includes it, components such as coils and blowers connected to the air handler may be cleaned too. The idea is to reduce the sources of dirty air in the system. With fewer contaminants circulating, you may notice less dusty air and a more comfortable environment, especially for household members who are sensitive to irritants. It's important to remember, cleaning is not a magic cure. If moisture problems or mold are present, those issues must be addressed alongside cleaning as part of a broader air quality strategy. Many homes see noticeable improvements after a thorough cleaning, especially when there was visible buildup or post-renovation dust. But results vary by home and system. If you're considering cleaning, choose a qualified, insured professional who provides a clear scope, before and after photos, and a containment plan. When you're ready, a consult can help you decide if this step makes sense for your home.